Hello everyone and welcome to Taste of Thoughts with Dr. Irina. And today we have a special dish that Dr. Irina is preparing. Dr. Irina, how are you today?
Good, good. How are you doing?
I'm doing great, and I see one of my favorite foods is right there in that container, and that's shrimp.
Shrimp.
What do you have on the menu today?
Shrimp, really, it is not just delicious, like you say, it's your favorite thing, but very good protein, no fats, so really, really beneficial for your health, and we'll combine it with very nice vegetables, with asparagus, with arugula, garlic, olive oil, so it is going to be very nice salad. And actually now it's like we are entering spring, so it's a good time for salads.
So we're going to have a shrimp salad today.
Yes.
And boy, all those ingredients you mentioned, they just sound so great.
So great, yes.
Okay, how do we start here?
We'll start from boiling asparagus. And first we need to cut this part, and because we want to leave only very tender part. The taste for this, it's like it breaks this exactly where we need to cut it. So maybe it's too much, but we'll cut it like this.
So we're getting rid of
we are getting rid of
the
this.
tougher part of the stem.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Because it's very.
I like asparagus. Really do.
Yeah, me too. Me too. We cooked it once. So we'll put it in boiled water, just for maybe a couple of minutes.
Okay.
We don't need boil it for too long.
Okay, so it's going into boiling water.
Boiling water and leave it there. Now we will actually start mixing baby arugula.
Baby arugula.
So nice.
Organic.
You see the picture is like for babies. I didn't think about like a baby arugula. Tiny arugula.
It's a good way to identify it.
Yes. You see, they're all babies. So we'll wait to this, and then at the last moment we'll cook shrimp. But I can actually share with you that shrimp, they are raw shrimp.
Raw shrimp.
And they are already, I removed the shell.
Yep.
But I like to leave the tail.
You leave the tail.
I leave the tail.
Really?
I tried different ways, cooking different ways, but when you leave the tail, they're much juicier. Probably this is, like a bone.
Yeah.
There's a steak.
Yeah.
The steak is always juicier with the bone. So we'll cook them with.
Okay, and we're leaving the tails on because it's going to keep it moist. It's more juicy.
More juicy.
That water is boiling now.
Yes. Never overcook asparagus because it is getting like it loses all its
take all the nourishment out of it.
Yeah, it's everything. Now, after a minute or two, we'll remove asparagus to the cold water, maybe even ice. I put ice.
You have ice
here.
in that water, right?
This way, it not becomes even, but keeps its green color and crispy.
Okay, so it stops it from cooking, keeps its green color, and makes it crisp, so it doesn't get all soggy.
Right.
Right.
So, and we are not turning heat off. We'll replace it with the skillet, which we are going to cook shrimp. But meanwhile, we'll take. Oh, look how like,
right in the water.
The color is so nice. Yes, everything is going simultaneously. Okay, it will.
And that couldn't have been more than 3 or 4 minutes that you had it in the boiling water.
Yes,
Didn't take long at all.
No. Asparagus shouldn't be cooked for a long time. Also, these are very thin. Sometimes it is thicker, but these are thin and nice. We'll cook shrimp on a hot skillet on garlic oil.
Garlic
Like
oil.
olive oil with garlic, with infusion of garlic.
Okay.
Shrimp are very good with garlic, always.
Oh,
It is
yes.
a very good combination.
Yes. Oh,
So-
shrimp and garlic.
Yes,
and
garlic,
oil.
very good, yes.
So that's garlic oil that we have right there.
And it is olive oil, so never,
Yeah.
never afraid. Oh, see? It goes
You
already
get that
very
aroma,
good.
right?
The aroma is wonderful. And we'll definitely add more garlic at the end.
You can never have too much garlic, I always say.
Yes. Garlic loses its taste when it is overcooked, during the cooking. So we'll add it at the very, very end.
Okay, at the very end we'll add it, okay.
Let's see. Ooh!
Ah, the
This
shrimp is going
ready
in.
for cooking. Shrimp are also, they shouldn't be cooked. I am turning temperature a little bit for lower temperature. Would you please pass me the paper towel?
Yes, I will.
We'll
How many do you want?
take a couple.
Right
Thank
over there.
you.
So you're draining the water off.
Just draining the water. Yeah.
Now you can really hear that shrimp crackling in that pan.
Anyway,
I'll take that.
much. And shrimp cook also very quickly. We don't want to overcook them.
You don't have to
so
take too
they
much
need
time.
To, they need to be, they were gray and now
Oh, they turned
they turned
orange.
pink,
very quickly.
orange. Yes, very, very nice.
Wow, they look just
So
great.
we don't have much time for cutting garlic, so we'll do it right away.
And you're keeping an eye on that shrimp, I see.
Yes. We'll add spices. I think this is a huge loaf.
So you're chopping the garlic and into about half-inch sizes,
Yes, you can use
strips.
garlic with devices or whatever.
Okay, now
You
you're
don't have much.
now you're
so
dicing the garlic, so you
We'll
make
dice
them small.
it to small pieces. Shrimp are almost ready.
You turn them every now and then, try to get all the sides cooked.
Yes, they are ready actually. Now
Ready
they
already?
are ready already. I'm turning it off, and now I'll add lemon pepper.
Lemon, pepper.
Lemon pepper goes very good with all fish products, with seafood. Really good. Salt.
Salt.
What else? And garlic. And yes, I repeat that, add it to the very, very end when it is actually already off the heat. So garlic keeps its flavor. Oh,
It just smells great.
smells wonderful. Okay, so we have
You have the baby arugula,
baby
right?
arugula. Now the asparagus is ready, so we'll cut it for maybe an inch, so it will be convenient to eat, right?
Okay. Cut it in
Maybe
smaller
an
pieces so that
Yeah,
Part
smaller,
of the
but
salad.
not. Crush it.
there you go.
That's it. Will be nice. Okay. I like cooking. Something very quickly, to not, something very complicated that you're spending
It's very simple.
10 hours.
Very simple.
Okay, very simple. And what else? Aha. Thank you.
A little salt in there.
Salt in there. We'll place, well, we need to spice it, however. I like to use lemon olive oil with lemon flavor. Oh, it goes so well with pasta and with salads and with everything. Oh, it is even, I need to open it
A lot of
first.
different flavors you can get with olive oil, apparently.
Oh, yes.
We have garlic, and this one is lemon.
Lemon, yes, and we'll add little bit balsamic vinegar also.
A little balsamic vinegar as well.
Lemon olive oil, fig balsamic vinegar. I think it is going good. You can use whatever you want, but
Balsamic vinegar. There you go.
yes.
Wow, that smells so good. This is really a delicious dish.
From the bottom to the top, did I put salt? I think so.
You did. Yes, you did.
And definitely let it, all flavors get together. And what we forgot is pepper. Does it come something? Yeah?
It's making enough noise, but I don't see any pepper coming out. Oh, you have to pop the top off. I think that's part of what you do there. There you go.
Oh, see, though.
Yeah, it was contained in.
So nothing lost.
There you go.
Oh, good, good,
Just
good.
a common occurrence
Now
in the
it's
kitchen.
Absolutely everything is in place. So salad is going to the dish.
Now this is baby arugula and chopped
And
asparagus.
asparagus.
And it's also lemon oil
Balsamic.
and some salt and pepper so
Oh,
far.
yeah, yeah.
So far. And balsamic vinegar.
Yes, and now the best part. Ooh. We'll put shrimp on top. Oh, it goes by itself. It wants to be in salad.
They have a mind of their own. What a great presentation, too. That looks, I mean, just the way it looks alone is just wonderful.
Yes, yes, I like it. I like it, like it, like
Look
it.
at
Now,
that. Look at that
if
fish
you
right there.
want, we can add fresh goat cheese also with garlic and herbs.
Goat
It
cheese
is
with
totally
garlic.
optional if you like it or you don't like it. But we'll try. We'll make half of the salad with cheese. This is a good addition.
It just gets better and better every time you add something to it.
Yeah, it looks also nice. Now you have all greens, you have fiber, you have very good healthy protein. So it can be full dinner, right?
It can be, yes.
Or lunch.
Okay, so
This
that's
is it.
wonderful. Well, Dr. Irina, this looks fantastic right now. We have the shrimp and the goat cheese, and we have the baby arugula and asparagus, and all of the seasoning that goes with this. which
Yes,
is,
it's really smells
so the only thing to do now is to actually consume this beautiful meal.
Consume. Okay, let me
Oh, thank you.
just a little bit, and you'll try with cheese. I want to try with cheese.
Here we go.
Let's see
I'm
how
going
it
to taste.
tastes.
I'm going to go the asparagus first.
Very juicy
Arugula.
and very good consistency. We did not overcook it. So
They're
it
not
was good.
overcooked at all.
Okay.
Now for the baby shrimp. Perfectly cooked.
Perfectly. Yes, and enough garlic and
Oh,
think
there's
enough.
plenty of garlic. You can't have too much garlic as far as I'm concerned, but really, it's a great taste.
And it goes together all well, right? With cheese and with all these flavors, very nice. It is good for outside evening to sit and to eat it. And again, the best part, it is very quick. Even if your friends are calling that they're coming, it's just you
It doesn't
can
take
make it.
long to make.
Absolutely.
Like we said, the shrimp was just 3 or 4 minutes in the fry pan, and the asparagus was just 3 or 4
Just
minutes.
a couple of minutes, yes.
And the rest is, maybe drinking a glass of wine while you're making this dinner. You know?
Right, yes. Yes. So, happy spring and enjoy healthy food.
This would be great for an outside picnic in the summer, or for a refreshing lunch in the winter.
Absolutely, yes.
But year round, it's just a great dish. Thank you very much.
You are welcome. I'm
And,
glad you liked it.
I just want to mention that Dr. Irina has authored a cookbook,
Thank you.
Taste of Thoughts. Many of these recipes are in this book as well.
Thank you.
That's our program for today. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.
We'll see you next time.
Actually, if you're going